So SHM equation, that is a x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. SHM equation. SHM equation. SHM equation. So on velocity equation, so v is equal to omega into a square minus x square. So this is velocity at mean position, x is equal to 0, velocity v is equal to omega into root a square. So v is equal to omega a or a omega or a into 2 pi by t. So omega v is equal to a omega or omega a omega or a into 2 pi by t. 2 by t. That is a 2 pi f. A into 2 pi f. So maximum velocity. So x is equal to 0, velocity maximum. Velocity maximum. So x is equal to a, velocity minimum. Velocity minimum. So that is a v is equal to omega into root over a square minus a square. Both are cancelled, v is equal to 0. So that graph, so v, y-axis taken, x-axis displacement. So that graph also taken here. The 0 velocity a omega L minus a omega. So t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4, t. Okay. The velocity displacement curve. Velocity displacement curve. At 0 velocity maximum. Okay. Velocity maximum, at maximum velocity 0. Velocity 0. So v is equal to so here dx by x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. So phi equal to 0. X is equal to a sin omega t. So dx by dt, that is the velocity v, is equal to a cos omega t. So v is equal to a into cos omega t. Sin omega t is equal to x by a. Cos omega t root over 1 minus sin square omega t. So root over 1 minus x square by a square. That is a into root over 1 minus x square by a square. So a into root over a square minus x square by a. So v is equal to a square sin omega t into omega. Into omega. So a cancel, v is equal to omega into root over a square minus x square. So derivative with respect to omega t, that is omega. So v is equal to omega into a square minus x square, that is a velocity. Next to acceleration. So v is equal to a cos omega into omega. So dv by dt, that is the acceleration. A omega minus cos sin equal to sin omega t into omega. That is a equal to minus a omega square sin omega t. So sin omega x by a minus a omega square into x by a. So a is equal to minus omega square into x. That is a acceleration. So velocity equation, acceleration equation, a equal to minus omega square into x. So velocity v is equal to omega into root over a square minus x square. So at x is equal to 0, acceleration minimum 0. So x is equal to a, acceleration maximum. So that is a minus omega square into a, minus omega square into a, minus omega into a, that is VA. V maximum a, V maximum a, okay, V maximum a. So here displacement and acceleration graph, y-axis taken acceleration, x-axis taken displacement. That acceleration passes from mean position. Omega square a minus omega square a minus omega square a. Okay? 0, t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4, t. Well, this is the acceleration equation. So a equal to minus omega square x, velocity equals to v is equal to omega into root over a square minus x square. So x is equal to a sine omega t plus 5. That's such an equation. X is the displacement. So displacement, what is the displacement? The distance between mean position to extreme position. Extreme minus a, x is equal to 0, is equal to a. Extreme position, mean position, the distance between mean position and extreme position, that is called displacement. Displacement indicate x. Okay. Next, amplitude. Amplitude, the maximum displacement equal to amplitude. Maximum displacement is called amplitude. So amplitude, maximum displacement, indicate the units, meters as unit, centimeters cg as unit, dimension formula m power 0 L t power 0. So displacement, amplitude. Next, phase is the position and direction. Phase indicates wave position and direction. That is called phase. Omega t plus pi. That is a phase. Initial phase t is equal to 0. Initial phase t is equal to 0. The position of mean point. The wave at a mean point. Initial phase t is equal to 0. Initial phase x is equal to a sin pi. So x is equal to a sin omega into 0 plus pi. That is equal to x is equal to a sin pi. And y is equal to a cos pi. Initial phase. Next, time period. Time taken complete oscillations, that is called time period. Time period t is equal to 2 pi root L by G. So t is equal to 2 pi root 2 m by k. Okay, time period. Time taken complete oscillation, that is called time period. Units, seconds, minutes, hours, that is a time period. Units. Okay. So omega is equal to 2 pi m r. So omega equal to 2 pi by t. So t is equal to 2 pi by omega. So omega square is equal to k by m. Omega equal to root k by m. So t is equal to 2 pi root k by m. So 2 pi into root 2 m by k. The loaded spring. Simplify down 2 pi root L by g. That is a time period. Next, frequency. Number of cycles per second, that is called frequency. Number of frequency. Frequency, number of cycles per second, that is called frequency. Frequency as a unit hertz. Hertz. Cycle per second hertz. The frequency f is equal to 2 pi, omega equal to 2 pi n. Omega equal to 2 pi n. So n is equal to omega by 2 pi. So n is equal to omega 2 pi. So f equal to omega by 2 pi. So 1 by 2 pi into omega equal to root. Omega equal to root k by m. Root k by m. So f is equal to 1 by 2 pi root k by m. So f is equal to 1 by 2 pi g by m. That is a frequency. Frequency units, SI units hertz, cycle per second. The number of cycles per second, that is called frequency. Reciprocal of time period, 1 by t equal to f. Reciprocal of time period also frequency. Reciprocal of time period also frequency. So reciprocal of time period also frequency. In a system, in complete oscillation, total distance 4a. Total distance 4a. In a system, total complete oscillation, complete one oscillations 2a, 4a. Total displacement also 0. Total displacement 0. At t is equal to 0, the particle at mean position pi equal to 0. T is equal to 0, particle at mean position pi equal to 0. Pi equal to 0. T is equal to 0, particle at mean position. At t equal to 0, particle at extreme position. Particle at extreme position. So x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. So since x is equal to a, so a is equal to a sin phi. Since t equal to 0, so a cancel, 1 equal to sin phi. So phi is equal to sin inverse 1. That is a phi equal to pi by 2. Pi equal to pi by 2. So x is equal to a sin omega t plus pi by 2. That is a x is equal to a cos omega t. Omega t plus pi by 2 cos omega. Minimum time required in simple harmonic motion, the displacement, minimum time required, minimum time required in SHM. So here x is equal to a sin omega t. So x by a is equal to sin omega t. So omega t equal to sin inverse x by a. So t is equal to 1 by omega or 2 pi n into t equal to sin inverse x by a. 2 pi n, 2 pi by t. 2 pi by t into t equal to sin inverse x by a. So here t is equal to t by 2 pi sin inverse x by a. So minimum time equation. This is a minimum time equation. Okay. Next video. energy on oscillator, simple harmonic motion. Okay, minimum times, find out the minimum times.